Alright, the Android 17 is here and it is coming with a brand new version of Gemini, and Google is calling it Gemini Intelligence. And it's essentially a deep integration of AI into the core of OS, available first on Samsung Galaxy and Pixel devices this summer. First, the visual language is getting a major update with Material Expressive. Gemini is now baked into the UI animations, so when the system is listening, thinking or creating, the animation shift to signal exactly what's happening. It's a functional evolution of Material U that aims to guide your focus rather than distract you, making the interaction with AI feel like a native part of the software rather than an overlay. Next, one of the most practical additions is seamless automation for tedious tasks. Gemini can now scan content like a class syllabus and automatically add the required books to your shopping cart. And if you are going for a particular show, Gemini will help you find floor seats for that show. It's even multi-modal. You can take a photo of a physical object like a Costa Rica coffee tasting brochure and tell Gemini to find a tour like this on Expedia for a group of 6 people. It then handles the search and booking flow in the background, showing you live progress in your notifications. Next, the all-new intelligent autofill. This is a total game changer for anyone tired of filling out mobile forms. Instead of just remembering your address, Gemini uses personal intelligence to pull data from your entire ecosystem. For example, if you're booking a flight and need your passport details, you don't have to leave the app to go dig through your gallery. Gemini can securely identify a photo of your passport in Google Photos and pull that information directly into the airline's form with a single tap. That sounds insane, isn't it? Then comes the Gboard. Gboard is also getting a massive upgrade with a feature called Rambler. Now you might have to let go of Samsung keyboard for this particular feature if you prefer dictating instead of typing manually. Now what is this Rambler feature? We all have those moments where we stumble over our words while using voice to text, right?
Hey, do you want to get lunch tomorrow? No, wait, shoot, I have a thing. Let's do Wednesday at Mario's. No, actually,
But Rambler cleans it up instantly. Gemini will remove expressions like likely, and whatever fumbles you make. It'll even correct the dates and locations and turn it into a perfect, concise message. It even supports multilingual code switching, letting you jump between languages mid-sentence without losing accuracy. The next very interesting feature is Create My Widget. That is generative AI. You can now build custom widgets simply by describing what you need in natural language. For instance, you could ask for a widget that suggests 3 high-protein meal prep recipes every week, and Gemini builds it from scratch. This also extends to Wear OS. The demo shows a custom cycling widget that displayed only wind speed and rain, the exact data points the rider cares about, without the clutter of a full weather application. These are some incredible Gemini Intelligence features which are coming to Samsung and Pixel phones, and this is expected to hit the phones this summer. And honestly, the Rambler and custom widget features alone make this one of the most exciting Android updates in years. Let me know which of these features you are most excited to try out in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the full deep dive on all these features as soon as the beta drops. So hit that subscribe button and become a part of Apex community. Hit the like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.